Hello, this is Matteo. I'm the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks. And today we're going to unbox the PowerAdd 10,000 mAh battery pack. Or, if you prefer to call it that way, it's a power bank. So, let's have a look at this. PowerAdd, Power Your Life is the logo on the front with a very rudimentary image of the item. 10,000 mAh portable charger, and then some technical specifications. So this is the Virgo II model. It's a lithium polymer battery, 10,000 mAh capacity, also known as 37 work hours or watt hours. It has 8-pin input at 5 volt 2 amp. It can take power input at 5 volt 2 amp. Whereas it outputs power at 5 volt 3.1 amp through the USB Type A, and it outputs 5 volt at 3 amp over USB Type C. So this won't be a super fast charger, but for most devices it will be faster than a standard USB power bank. So, simple cardboard packaging. As you can see, there's not much else apart from the specifications and simple box. It opens up very easily. It has a survey card here to give you some feedback and how to do feedback, service@ipoweradd.com. And then there's a small manual with very small print in multiple languages. The power bank itself, we'll come back to that in a moment, and a couple of cables here. So it has a USB-A to Lightning cable. This is very useful for our iOS or Fruity device users. And it also has a USB Type-C to Type-C cable. This is for users of iPads or the newer iPads and newer Android devices. So very welcome inclusion of these two cables. That's about it for the packaging. So we'll move this aside and look at the power bank itself. There you have it. So it's a metal body power bank. It's aluminium on the outside. Apart from the top, you can see there's a glossy part to it up here. That's plastic. You can see it has the on-off button. It has the lightning input. Let me see if I can get this. So that's the lightning input here. That's the USB Type-C input and output here, and a USB Type-A output, and a power button. So this essentially is what it does. It has an LED indicator of the capacity of the device. In this case, I'll just tap that again. You can see it's a 48% charged, which is a very handy thing to know when using it. There's a simple PowerAdd logo on the front, and the bottom has a few specifications, the same ones we saw on the label earlier, and a QR code. So this is apparently designed in California and assembled in China. That sounds very familiar. But there you have it. That's a 10,000 mAh power bank from PowerAdd. We will be using this when traveling over the next few weeks, and we hope to bring you a full review in written format on techtravelgeeks.com. If you enjoyed this video from the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. We have a channel there where we not only unbox products, we review them, we provide sample videos taken with the devices we're reviewing, and sometimes we also do the Tech Travel Geeks podcast there. So please do subscribe to us on YouTube to get all the very latest news and views from the Tech Travel Geeks. For now, that's everything from me. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll be working with this PowerAdd power bank soon. Thanks very much for watching. Goodbye.